In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix BambooHR login issues. Now, the very first thing you have to confirm is that you are on the correct website. So it's BambooHR.com, and then from here you want to click on the login button at the top right. Now, when you do this, you want to type in the correct domain. So if you, of course, don't type in the correct domain or type a different one of a different company, you won't be able to log in because, of course, your credentials will not work for that company. So make sure it's the correct domain. When you click on continue over here, make sure up top it's actually the correct one. So I'm using this one because I am currently on a demo account, but for you it's going to be usually something like your company name .bamboohr.com. Okay, now from here you of course have to type in your email and your password, and if you're having issues over here and no buttons are working or something like that, first check your internet connection. So go to the bottom right over here and you can of course check your internet. Hopefully it's working. If it's not, you can go and get that done. Okay, you can of course fix the internet first, your connection, and then you should be able to log in. Now, of course, as I said, the right domain is also very important, but if you don't know the password or if you forgot it, then you can also reset it over here. So the second thing is going to be to click on forgot password, and then here you'll basically get the email, of course, to your email, and in there there'll basically be a link to reset your password. Okay, and by resetting your password, you can come back to this page, type in your email and then your new password, and you'll be able to log in without any problems. That's the second thing you can do. But then over here, if you used a passkey to sign in, you could also click on login with passkey, and of course if you have any passkeys over here, you'll be able to click on them and log in with your passkey. Now, next thing that may happen if you're having issues with logging in could be the two-step authentication. So if you have two-step login enabled, it means that of course you're going to have to confirm with your two-step authenticator app. So it's going to be something like on your phone, for example, Google Authenticator or whatever you or your company are using. So if you're having issues with that or if it's not working, then your admin is going to have to reset that for you. And if they do have to reset it for you, then of course they'll be able to do it inside the dashboard itself. So I do have a separate video on exactly how to do this, but it's just inside your settings. So you want to go to the settings, top right over here, and you have to go to a login page. So let me show you. You want to go to account, and then over here inside account you have login settings, and you'll be able to find your two-step authenticator over here. So make sure you're doing this as an admin. So just go to two-step login, click on the settings button, click on the reset employees two-step login, and then of course the admin can do this for anyone who has this enabled. And if they reset it, then of course you won't have problems anymore. You'll be able to sign in normally and then set up the two-step authenticator again. Okay, so that's how to fix all the issues. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.